Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Wi-Fi stuck on obtaining IP address problem in Android. So for example, you are connecting to a Wi-Fi but you are struggling to but you are continuously facing an error which is like failed to obtain an IP address. So in order to fix that issue, I'm going to tell you step by step the lots of solutions you guys can follow that. After following that, you guys can fix your issue. So first of all, what you guys have to do is you guys have to firstly toggle airplane mode on. So what you have to do is you guys have to simply swipe up, or you guys can just simply open up your phone settings. So after opening up your phone settings, you have to just simply go to your mobile network. So after coming to your mobile network, or you guys can just simply go to more connectivity options, and here you'll be able to see the option which is airplane mode. You guys have to just simply click on this airplane mode to toggle on this, and you have to again tap on it, toggle it off. So after toggling it on and off, your issue will be resolved. If your issue is still not resolved, you guys can do the second step is you have to open up your settings. So after coming to your setting, you have to open up your Wi-Fi, and what you have to do is at that specific Wi-Fi, you have to simply tap on that specific Wi-Fi, and you have to simply click on forget, which is the forget button. After tapping on forget, you have to again re-enter the password of your specific Wi-Fi and reconnect your Wi-Fi. So after reconnecting your Wi-Fi, your issue will be resolved. If your issue is still not resolved, and another method of doing this, you guys can use a static IP address. So in order to use a static IP address, what you guys have to do is you guys have to open up your phone settings again. So after opening up your phone setting, you have to open up that specific Wi-Fi in which you are facing an error. So I'm just opening up the setting of my Wi-Fi, and then you have to simply click on the second last option, which is modify network. I'm just tapping on modify network. So in the modify network, you guys will be able to see the option which is what kind of IP you want, IP address you want. So here you will be able to see there is a DHCP. I have to just simply click on this static. So after coming to the static, you guys can solve your issue. If your issue is still not resolved, and another method is this issue might be caused by your router. So what you have to do is, in order to fix that, first of all you guys have to turn off your router, switch off your router, and after like 30 seconds of wait, you have to restart your router. So if your issue is still not resolved by this restarting your router, another method is you guys can reset your router. You guys can just simply find the button of reset at the bottom at the right of any of your router. So after finding that specific reset button, you have to hit that specific reset button, and your Wi-Fi settings will be reset, and you guys can fix the issue. If your issue is still not resolved, the second last method is you guys can just simply open up your phone settings first. So after opening up your phone settings first, after coming to phone settings, just simply go to apps, and in the apps just simply click on system apps, or you guys can just simply click on manage apps and go to search bar and simply search for Google Play services. So I'm just searching for Google Play services. So after searching for, you guys can be able to see here is our Google Play services. Just simply open it, and you guys have to simply click on the storage section. Simply clear the cache data of your Google Play services. So after clearing the cache data of your Google Play services, you have to open up restart your device, and your issue will be resolved. If your issue is still not resolved, the one and only and the last method is you guys can reset your network setting. So it's pretty simple. You have to open up your phone settings first. After coming to your phone settings, you have to simply go to the search bar and simply search for reset network setting. So after tapping on that, you guys can be able to find, if you're troubling in finding the reset, here you'll be able to find the option reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. You just have to open up this specific option. You have to simply hit the reset button below. So after tapping on the reset button below, all your Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth networks will be reset. But make sure that you have to make the backup of all your connected Bluetooth devices or Wi-Fi network, because after doing that, all your network will be erased. So I hope these are like several solutions. So after following those specific solutions, you will be able to resolve the issue of stucking the Wi-Fi obtaining IP address problem in Android. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.